Your Nissan has hidden features most owners never activate, and ignoring them is getting expensive. $200 batteries, $800 brake jobs, dealership diagnostics your car already handled for free. These 10 secret Nissan functions change everything once they're finally turned on. 1. Remote window roll down from the key fob. Every summer, Nissan owners do the same thing. Open the door and get hit with trapped heat that feels unbearable within seconds. Steering wheels become untouchable, leather seats burn through clothes, and the AC struggles for the first few minutes trying to cool an oven on wheels. Most drivers think the only solution is remote start, or sitting there waiting for the cabin to cool down. Meanwhile, the heat is slowly damaging interior plastics, drying leather surfaces, and putting extra strain on the climate system every single day. Your Nissan already has a hidden function that fixes this before the door even opens. On many Nissan models, holding the unlock button on the key fob automatically rolls all the windows down remotely. No app subscription, dealership activation, or aftermarket module needed, because the windows automatically vent trapped heat before entering the vehicle, instantly dropping cabin temperature within seconds. Constant heat buildup slowly destroys interiors over time. Cracked dashboards, faded trim, worn leather, and weak AC performance become expensive fast. Dashboard replacement can exceed $1,200, while AC compressor repairs may reach $1,500, yet the remote vent function reduces cabin heat completely free every day. Most owners never discover this feature because Nissan barely mentions it during delivery. The key fob has been capable of this the entire time. Your Nissan already knew the cabin was overheating. Now the driver finally knows how to stop it before the damage gets expensive. 2. Around view monitor hidden camera angles. Most Nissan owners still park large SUVs and trucks the stressful way, leaning forward over the steering wheel, guessing distances, praying the bumper clears the curb, and hoping there isn't a pole sitting in the blind spot. One tiny miscalculation, and suddenly there's curb rash on the wheels, scratches on the bumper, or damage underneath the front valance that nobody notices until repair estimates appear. The modern Nissan repair costs are no joke anymore. A single damaged alloy wheel can cost $400 to replace. Front bumper repainting can climb past $1,000 surprisingly fast once sensors and calibration are involved. Yet most owners are ignoring camera views their Nissan already provides from the factory. The around view monitor on many newer Nissan models does far more than basic reverse camera duty. Hidden camera angles show curb lines, bumper clearance, side positioning, and a full bird's eye view simultaneously, making tight garages, crowded parking lots, and drive-through lanes dramatically easier to navigate safely. Most owners only use the default backup screen because that's all dealerships briefly demonstrate during delivery. The real functionality stays buried inside the camera options menu, where almost nobody explores further. The dangerous part is that large Nissan SUVs already have major front-end blind spots. Low poles, bicycles, shopping carts, and even curbs disappear beneath the hood line completely. The hidden front and overhead camera views eliminate that guesswork instantly. Your Nissan already had the visibility advantage built in, but most owners never opened the camera settings needed to fully unlock it. 3. Nissan Connect Remote Start with Climate Activation. Most drivers still think remote start only works from a short distance away with the key fob. This might have been true years ago, but modern Nissan systems quietly became far smarter than most owners realize. The Nissan Connect app can remotely start newer Nissan models from almost anywhere, and if climate settings are left on auto before shutting the vehicle off, heated seats, steering wheel heating, and cabin temperature automatically adjust during remote start based on outside weather conditions. This means winter mornings no longer start with freezing seats and fogged windows. Summer afternoons no longer feel like opening an oven door. And this is not just convenience, because extreme heat and cold place serious stress on vehicle systems. Ice-cold starts increase engine wear, while replacing weak batteries or failed starter motors can cost anywhere from $250 to over $900 once labor and programming are included. Meanwhile, proper warm-up and cabin conditioning help reduce that stress daily. Most owners never fully configure Nissan Connect because dealerships only demonstrate the basic lock and unlock features. The climate automation system stays hidden deep inside the app settings, where almost nobody explores. Your Nissan was already preparing the cabin before the driver even reached the parking lot. Most owners simply never activated the function correctly. 4. Intelligent Cruise Control Gap Adjustment. Most drivers use adaptive cruise control completely wrong without realizing it. The system gets activated once, left on factory settings forever, and then blamed whenever traffic feels jerky or uncomfortable. Meanwhile, Nissan quietly gave owners full control over one of the most important safety settings inside the vehicle. The hidden gap adjustment setting changes how aggressively the car follows vehicles ahead. In heavy traffic, shorter settings prevent constant lane-cutting frustration from other drivers squeezing into large gaps. on highways during rain, fog, or night driving. Increasing the distance dramatically improves reaction time and reduces panic braking situations. This matters more than people think. Rear-end collisions happen constantly because drivers underestimate stopping distance. One distracted moment can cause thousands in damage. Rear bumper repairs with radar calibration may exceed $2,500, while airbag deployment during even smaller crashes can quickly push total repair costs beyond $8,000. Meanwhile, the hidden distance setting takes seconds to adjust directly from the steering wheel. Most owners never touch the feature because dealerships simply explain adaptive cruise as hands-free convenience. The real safety advantage comes from customizing the system based on traffic conditions, weather, and driving style. Factory settings are only general compromises because Nissan cannot predict whether the vehicle spends most of its life in crowded traffic, long highway commutes, or dangerous weather conditions. Your Nissan already knew how to create safer following distances. Most owners never realized the setting was adjustable in the first place. 5. Rear Door Alert System. This hidden Nissan feature sounds simple until realizing how serious it actually is. Every year, drivers accidentally leave groceries, laptops, pets, and even children in the back seat because daily routines get interrupted. One unexpected phone call, one stressful commute, or one change in schedule is enough to completely break mental patterns people normally rely on. Nissan quietly built a system designed specifically to prevent that. The Rear Door Alert System monitors rear door usage before and after driving. If a rear door was opened before the trip began, the vehicle reminds the driver to check the back seat after parking. Many owners dismiss it as a random notification without understanding why Nissan created it in the first place. The consequences of ignoring it can become devastating fast. Electronics destroyed by summer heat easily cost hundreds to replace, groceries spoil, and pets can become endangered within minutes inside a hot vehicle. Even worse, child heat stroke incidents happen every single year because exhausted drivers simply forget someone is in the back seat during disrupted routines. Most dealerships barely explain this feature because it doesn't sound exciting during delivery. There's no flashy screen or dramatic demo, just a simple reminder message buried quietly inside the dashboard settings. This is exactly the kind of feature that matters when real life gets chaotic. And compared to the damage it can prevent, the value becomes obvious instantly. A heat-damaged laptop can cost over $1,500 to replace, but a child's safety cannot be replaced at all. Your Nissan was already trying to remind the driver to check the rear seat. Most owners simply ignored the warning without realizing why it existed. Most Nissan owners still haven't discovered the features that become truly expensive when ignored. So like, subscribe, and keep watching, because one hidden Nissan system later in this video quietly prevents the brake damage and overheating most drivers accidentally cause on downhill roads. 6. Trailer sway control and tow assist. Most Nissan owners towing trailers don't realize how quickly a stable drive can turn dangerous. Everything feels normal until crosswinds hit, traffic shifts suddenly, or the trailer starts oscillating slightly at highway speed. The tiny side-to-side movement grows fast, and within seconds the trailer begins pulling the entire vehicle with it. Most drivers panic, slam the brakes, and accidentally make the sway even worse. This is exactly why Nissan quietly built trailer sway control into many trucks and SUVs. The system constantly monitors steering input, wheel speed, yaw movement, and trailer behavior in real time. The moment sway begins, the vehicle automatically applies selective braking and reduces engine power to stabilize the trailer before the driver fully realizes what's happening. And most owners never even know the system is activated. One uncontrolled trailer sway incident can destroy far more than a bumper. Damaged trailers, bent hitch components, suspension damage, jackknifing, and rollover accidents escalate into repair bills easily reaching $10,000 to $30,000, depending on speed and load. Even smaller towing mistakes can ruin rear brakes, transmission components, and tires surprisingly quickly. Meanwhile, properly configuring tow assist settings and trailer stabilization costs absolutely nothing. The dangerous part is that many owners overload trailers or distribute weight incorrectly while assuming the vehicle will just handle it. Nissan designed these systems to assist, not overcome physics completely. Most dealerships spend more time talking about towing capacity numbers than explaining the stabilization technology itself. The feature stays active quietly in the background, while owners never realize how much danger it may already have prevented. Your Nissan was already fighting trailer sway before the driver even felt the trailer moving. 7. Driver Attention Alert. Long highway drives are where things quietly become dangerous. Most drivers think fatigue only matters when falling asleep, but attention drops much earlier. Steering corrections become inconsistent, reaction time slows, drifting begins subtly, and modern Nissan vehicles are already monitoring for exactly those warning signs. The Driver Attention Alert System studies steering patterns during driving. and detects subtle changes associated with fatigue or distraction. If the system notices unusual correction behavior, a warning appears suggesting the driver take a break. Most owners either ignore the coffee cup icon or never understand what triggered it in the first place. Fatigue-related crashes are among the most dangerous accidents on the road because drivers often react too late or not at all. Highway speed collisions involving drowsy driving regularly total vehicles instantly. A front-end collision in a modern Nissan with airbags, radar systems, cameras, and sensors can easily exceed $15,000 in repairs before structural damage is even considered. Meanwhile, the hidden monitoring system was trying to warn the driver before fatigue became dangerous. The scary part is that tired drivers almost always believe they're still fully alert. The false confidence is exactly why these systems exist. Nissan designed the feature to catch the warning signs most people miss themselves. Most dealerships mention it briefly during delivery, then move on to more marketable technology like touchscreens and sound systems. But this feature may quietly become one of the most important systems inside the vehicle during long nighttime drives. Your Nissan already noticed the driver was losing focus. Most owners never realize the vehicle is monitoring fatigue the entire time. 8. Automatic engine braking and hill descent control. Most drivers destroy their brakes without realizing it on long downhill roads. The instinct is always the same. Foot stays pressed lightly on the brake pedal the entire descent, while heat builds continuously inside the braking system. Rotors overheat, pads wear unevenly, brake fluid temperature rises, and stopping power slowly weakens exactly when the vehicle may need it most. This becomes expensive very quickly on heavier Nissan SUVs and trucks. A full brake replacement with rotors and pads can easily cost $900 to $1,500 depending on model and trim. Warped rotors create vibration issues. Overheated brake fluid reduces stopping consistency, and repeated downhill brake abuse wears out brake components dramatically faster than most owners realize. Meanwhile, many Nissan models already include hidden downhill assistance systems designed specifically to prevent this. Hill descent control and automatic engine braking use the transmission and traction systems to maintain controlled downhill speed without excessive brake use. Instead of relying entirely on brake pressure, the vehicle intelligently manages speed using lower gearing and controlled braking pulses. The difference becomes massive during steep terrain, mountain roads, towing situations, or slippery surfaces. Most owners either forget the feature exists or assume it only matters for off-roading. In reality, it protects brake systems anytime gravity starts pushing a heavy vehicle downhill for extended periods. Many drivers accidentally disable these systems inside traction menus without understanding what changed afterward. Then the vehicle suddenly feels different on hills, while brake wear quietly increases every single month. Nissan built the system to protect the vehicle from unnecessary heat and brake stress. Most owners simply never learned when to activate it correctly. Your Nissan was already trying to save the brakes from overheating. The driver just kept riding the pedal instead. 9. Battery monitoring through the Nissan Connect app. Modern Nissan vehicles rely more heavily on electronics than most owners realize. Cameras, sensors, infotainment systems, radar modules, remote access functions, safety systems, and smartphone integration all depend on healthy battery voltage constantly staying stable. The problem is that most batteries fail long before drivers notice warning signs. Everything seems normal until one cold morning, when the engine suddenly cranks slowly or refuses to start entirely. Then comes the tow truck, dealership appointment, lost workday, and expensive battery replacement nobody planned for. Meanwhile, Nissan already built a monitoring system capable of warning owners beforehand. The Nissan Connect app on many newer models tracks battery condition and vehicle health information directly from the car. Low voltage behavior, charging abnormalities, and system warnings can often appear before complete failure happens. This matters because modern battery failures get expensive fast. A basic battery replacement is no longer a cheap parts store swap, because many newer Nissan models require programming and recalibration after installation. Total costs can exceed $400 quickly, and towing or emergency service fees make the situation even more expensive. Meanwhile, catching weak voltage early may only require preventive charging or replacing the battery before complete failure damages other systems. The dangerous part is that weak batteries also create strange electronic behavior. People misdiagnose constantly. Flickering screens, warning lights, sensor errors, rough starting, and random system glitches often begin with unstable voltage first. Most owners never open the health monitoring section of the app because dealerships only demonstrate remote start and lock functions during setup. Your Nissan was already tracking the battery condition quietly in the background. Most owners simply never checked the warnings until the vehicle stopped starting completely. 10. Hidden vehicle diagnostics through Nissan Connect. This is the feature that changes everything for Nissan owners. Every driver knows the panic when the check engine light appears. Dealership appointments get scheduled, time disappears, and diagnostic fees start stacking up before anyone even knows whether the problem is minor or catastrophic. Modern dealerships charge heavily for information most owners already have access to. Many Nissan vehicles connected through Nissan Connect can already report diagnostic information directly through the app and onboard systems. Fault alerts, maintenance warnings, system health reports, and issue descriptions often appear before a dealership ever touches the vehicle. This means owners can immediately separate small problems from serious emergencies. A loose gas cap usually triggers only a minor evap warning, while weak battery voltage is often a sign that preventive maintenance is needed. If an oil pressure warning appears, stop driving immediately before catastrophic engine damage happens. The repair cost difference there becomes massive. Ignoring a simple $20 ignition coil replacement can eventually damage catalytic converters, costing over $2,000. Driving with low oil pressure for just a little longer can destroy the engine completely. Full engine replacement on some Nissan models can climb past $9,000 surprisingly fast once labor enters the equation. Meanwhile, early diagnostics can catch the issue before the damage spreads. Most drivers still pay dealerships $150 to $250 simply to scan codes of the vehicle already identified internally. The app translates many warnings into understandable language instead of confusing code numbers most owners never recognize. And this completely changes how owners approach repairs. Instead of walking blindly into a service department, drivers already understand the seriousness of the issue before arriving. Your Nissan already knew what the problem was. The driver was just paying someone else to read information the vehicle already had the entire time. 10 hidden Nissan functions, all already built into the vehicle sitting in the driveway right now. If this saved money or prevented a future repair, like, subscribe, and stay ahead of the expensive Nissan problems most owners discover too late.